Yeah, I'm tight all over the place.
You are. I'm gonna actually have you go face down.
Face down?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, give me a deep breath and blow it all the way out. Relax the shoulders.
Yeah, I felt that. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh man, you needed all of that. Yep, deep breath, blow it out.
Yes, man. Whew. All right, I needed that one.
Yeah, that right side not happy.
I know. Good Lord. Jesus. Whew. My God. That felt good, though.
Good.
Hey.
You needed that right side.
Uh-huh. This one got like everything.
Yeah.
From like freaking C1 all the way down.
Yeah.
That was good. Oh, yes.
Feel a little bit looser.
Yeah. Oh, look. I'm not even that flexible. I barely touch my toes.